Hello guys, I hope you all are good. So today I'm gonna show you how to play Call of Duty in your laptop or PC. First of all, you need LD Player 9. I will put download link in the description. So after opening LD Player 9 setup, you can install this LD Player. I already installed it, so I'm not gonna install it again. You can easily change path from here. You can easily browse and change path of the LD Player 9 in which folder you want to install. So after installing it, open your LD Player. So go and search for LD Player where you installed it. So it's loading. It will take some time to prepare LD Player, and this is faster than other emulator, so you can easily play your other games of Android and enjoy without lagging. So after your LD Player 9 is ready, you can go to Play Store. You can see here there is a Play Store like your mobile Android devices. Go to Play Store, then you can search here Call of Duty. As you can see, you can easily install Call of Duty and play your game. So this is how you can easily install Call of Duty in this emulator. So please like and subscribe my channel. I will also put the emulator link in the description so you can download it from there. So thanks for watching my video.